Hey everybody, welcome back. Somebody sent me this article the other day where Goldman Sachs is claiming that housing prices will rise another 16% in 2022, and they asked me for my opinion on the article. I read the article, and essentially it says because supply is low and interest rates are low, housing prices will increase, which logically and ordinarily makes sense. However, I think there's too many factors. For example, the eviction moratorium, and in the couple areas that I've been, kind of monitoring the real estate market, the supply is slowly increasing. Also, Goldman Sachs, I don't really regard their opinions that highly. Back when I used to do day trading, you could almost bet the exact opposite of whatever they would predict, or if they would downgrade a stock, you could almost bet that it was going to rise. If they would upgrade a stock, you could almost bet it was going to drop. And I'll just provide one example, Tesla stock. This was an article, Goldman Sachs in 2017 said that it looks like demand for Teslas has peaked. Now, this was July 2017, so let's see what the stock price was back then. As you can see, in July 2017, the stock price was right around $60 to $70. And hopefully you didn't take their advice and not buy Tesla. But let me show you even a smaller, quicker example. In June 2020, Goldman Sachs downgraded Tesla, saying the stock has gotten ahead of itself. So let's see what happened in June 2020. So in June 2020, the stock was right around $200, and Goldman Sachs downgraded Tesla, saying that the price got ahead of itself. I think you can see what happened shortly after their downgrade. Here's an article in December 2020 where Goldman Sachs upgrades Tesla, and they say there's a massive upside of over 30%. So in June 2020, just 5 to 6 months earlier, they downgraded Tesla when it was around $200 a share. They said it was too high priced and they downgraded it. It more than triples to over $600, and then they upgrade it and say there's still over 30% of growth. I don't know where they get their data from. It's almost as if they're being paid to produce bad data. I would almost look for Goldman Sachs articles just to do the opposite of whatever they predict.